After years of hard work, James and Shannon finally found their dream home, perched high above the Tennessee River with breathtaking Smoky Mountain views. Though close to the city, it still feels like a private sanctuary, offering peace, solitude, and endless natural beauty. To truly make the most of their space, they envision an outdoor oasis, a patio with a fire pit, covered seating for year-round comfort, and lush gardens to indulge in their love for plants. But one thing was missing: a pond and a waterfall to bring everything to life. After following modern design aquascaping on YouTube, they knew exactly who to call. The sound of running water and the peaceful ambience would be the final touch to their dream retreat. Now, mornings start with coffee by the pond as the sun rises over the mountains, surrounded by the soothing sounds of a cascading waterfall. Evenings bring family and friends together, grilling, storytelling, and unwinding by the fire pit, while the gentle flow of water adds to the perfect atmosphere. Every moment feels like a gateway, and their dream has truly come to life. A 15 by 15 foot pond with a 25-foot stream, boulders, driftwood, and aquatic plants blending seamlessly while underwater lighting brings it to life at night. The result? A stunning retreat where James and Shannon can relax and enjoy nature every day.